Cottage cheese gnudi. To make this cheesy cousin of gnocchi, you will need cottage cheese, egg yolks, all-purpose flour, freshly grated Parmesan cheese, nutmeg, black pepper, and salt. Bring a pot of water to a boil while you prepare the dough. The first step is to lightly drain the cottage cheese in a fine mesh sieve or a colander lined with cheesecloth. To speed the process, gently press on the cottage cheese with the back of a large spoon. After draining, combine the cottage cheese, flour, Parmesan cheese, nutmeg, black pepper, and salt in a food processor and pulse until thoroughly combined. And then add the egg yolks. Pulse again until the mixture comes together as a dough and begins to form a ball. Flour your work surface and turn the dough out onto the floured surface and sprinkle it lightly with more flour. Using your hands, gently roll the dough in the flour, shaping it into a ball. You don't want to work a lot of flour into the dough, but you should add just enough that it doesn't stick to your hands and it's easy to shape. Once formed into a ball, cut it into 4 equal pieces using a bench scraper or a sharp knife. Working with one portion at a time, roll the dough into a long rope that's between a 1/2 and a 3/4 inch thick. And then with a sharp knife, cut into 1-inch pieces. Transfer your cut gnudi to a baking sheet lined with parchment or dusted with flour while you repeat rolling and cutting the dough. Once the water comes to a boil, gently lower the gnudi into the boiling water and cook until they float. Once they float, give them about 1 minute more, and then using a skimmer or a slotted spoon, gently remove the gnudi from the boiling water. They can be served as is with your favorite sauce, or melt a little butter in a skillet, add the gnudi to the skillet with the butter, and cook until lightly browned or deeply browned. You can brown them as much or as little as you like. And then stir in about a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of prepared pesto and add a bit of heavy cream. Continue cooking and stirring until the mixture thickens and forms a sauce. Serve in shallow bowls, garnished with fresh basil if desired. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos and recipes, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.